to the video Vort for Parshat Tazria. In this week's Parsha, we learn about the malady called tzaras. Tzaras comes at the heels of affairs such as gaiva, or lashon hara, haughtiness, slander. It's a spiritual affliction, but it shows up on one's skin and forces one out of the Jewish camp. What's interesting, though, is the term the Torah uses to describe tzaras. It calls it nega tzaras. What does the word nega mean? Traditionally, it's translated as an affliction of tzaras. But taken out of context, we could understand something else. Nega may be related to the word maga, reach. For example, in modern Hebrew, contact lenses are called adashot maga. So what does reaching of tzaras, touching of tzaras, have to do with the affliction? If we look at tzaras, we get a whole new understanding. Tzaras is not punitive. It's not a punishment. It's corrective. It's God's way of saying, you know what? You can do a little bit better. You have potential that you can meet. So we're going to tap you back onto the right course. You can do much better than that. With that understanding, we can understand also the words of the Chernobyl Rebbe. He points out that the word nega, nun, gimel, ayin, when they're flipped around, have a new meaning, that of oneg, which means pleasure, as in oneg Shabbat. What do nega and oneg have to do with each other? Now we can understand. There's no greater pleasure, there's no greater oneg than sometimes having a nega, having somebody reach out, tap you, telling you you can do better. So when you meet your challenges this week, you can remember that's God's way of saying, hey, I want something more of you. You can go one step farther, meet your potential. Shabbat Shalom.